Hello. What's going on?
He's recording now, so you don't even have him.
He threatened all of us too.
What's that?
He threatened all of us too. So.
All right, so here's.
What's going on?
BSOS. Yeah, he knows the story. All right, it's
Okay, so 20. Okay.
Yeah, go in. Personally non-compliant. He's traveling with his kids and another family member, the grandmother. He placed the daughter in someone else's seat, and while we seated them with the grandmother, with the adult part of the family. He removed the daughter and put them in the other seat beside him and the other daughter, which was assigned to someone else. The flight attendant
Not part of his family, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Flight attendant asked, to put the daughter back with the grandmother so the other person was sitting there assigned seat. He refused to do it. He was non-compliant, very combative. He asked him to get off the aircraft, get his stuff, and get off the aircraft. He was very rude, and so they become threatening. And he was just non-compliant, very combative, and not listening to any of our instructions. So I had him our car here, a notice of non-compliance. He refused to take it. He started recording me, which he has a right to. But I did let him know I don't consent to him recording. He's right here. So we're like him off the aircraft. The flight crew is not comfortable. They're not safe with him.
Okay, so who you want off the aircraft? Just him?
This gentleman right here.
And the kids can fly with the grandma?
If he's willing to let the kids go with the grandmother, but he's going to have to get home. So who doesn't want him on board, they're not safe. Don't fit for him on board.
Okay.
We were willing to rebook him on the next flight. Very combative and non-compliant. Not listening at all.
Okay.
On June 1st, 2025, at Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport, a seating dispute escalated into 2 arrests. The central question is not whether the passenger was correctly seated, but whether the captain had lawful authority to refuse his transport.
All right. So this is what's going to happen, all right?
Yes.
The pilot doesn't want you on the plane. The crew doesn't want you on the plane.
For what reason?
They don't have to have a reason.
They need to have a reason.
No, not by law. No. Once the pilot says you're
Take
off,
me
you're
down
off.
on the plane with my kids and my disabled mother.
So your kids can stay with your mother if that's what you want?
No.
Okay. So this is what's going to happen. I'm going to tell you no. I'm going to tell you this is the way it works. Okay?
Yes.
Well, they can come off with you if that's what you want. That's fine. All right? They're your kids.
For what reason?
Because apparently you're not following rules and
I am
regulations.
following rules. Why?
All right?
I was on my seat.
Okay.
Come on, I'll show you.
I don't need to come anywhere.
I'll show you my seat.
So
I have
if
my
you refuse,
ticket.
listen,
I
if
have
you refuse to come off, you'll be arrested. Everybody on this plane will have to come off and you'll be arrested. As simple as that. All right?
Look, this is my seat, 25D.
Okay.
Can I come and show you where is my seat?
No.
This is my seat, so you are doing something wrong.
No, I have nothing to do with the plane.
My daughter was supposed to change the seat, but the person...
I'm giving you, are you going to come off the plane or no? That's all I need to know.
I am on my seat. Look, this is the 25D, and I registered where I'm sitting.
Okay, are you understanding what I'm telling you?
I'm sitting on 25D.
Okay. Come on up. You're going under arrest.
Don't worry about it. Put your hands back.
Hands behind your back. Do it now.
Put your hands behind your back.
I am putting my hands behind my back.
I got it.
Drop the phone. Drop the phone.
You don't want to do it the right way, right?
Okay.
I want you to come off with your kids, or your kids to go with your mother.
Okay.
But you want to go to jail, so that's what's going to happen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well.
You don't have to attack at all. Get down. Get down.
Bibi,
30, give me another unit.
Bibi, stala.
Get down. Turn around.
Bibi, stala. Bibi, stala. Bibi, stala. Bibi, stala. Bibi, stala. Bibi, stala. Aiutami.
Sit down. You will get your ass saved.
Aiutami.
Turn around.
Sono piccola. Aiuto, sapete. Son of Bimbila, please. Please, son of Bimbila, please. Son of Bimbila, please.
So you can slow down. We got 2 in custody.
Please, son of Bimbila. Mia moglie. Please. Sono bimbi, sono formale. Fanno male i bimbi. Sono bimbi, dai. Oh. Ok. Oh, yeah.
Just wait till the rest of them get here.
Sono bimbi. Sono bimbi.
Yeah. You guys want to open up? Y'all good? Yeah. All right. We'll wait till the rest of them get here. Just face the wall. You don't have nothing to talk about. Don't come running at the police like that.
Let go.
No, you was he did.
Because he was coming.
You wouldn't listen.
He was coming
That's
to
why
me.
you in touch.
He was coming to me, I promise you.
Under Title 49 of the United States Code, Section 44902, subsection B, an air carrier may refuse any passenger the carrier decides is, or might be, inimical to safety. In Cerquera versus American Airlines, decided by the First Circuit in 2008, the court held that this decision is reviewed only for arbitrariness, not for correctness. The Ninth Circuit reinforced this deferential standard in Eid versus Alaska Airlines in 2010, confirming that the pilot's real-time safety assessment governs. Operational authority flows from Title 14 of the Code of Federal Regulations, Section 91.3, making the pilot in command the final authority over the aircraft. Once the captain invoked this authority, the subject's legal argument was over. The proper remedy is a post-incident civil action, not on-board refusal. That refusal triggered Florida Statute Section 810.08, which criminalizes remaining in a conveyance after being warned to depart by an authorized representative. A commercial aircraft qualifies as a conveyance, and because other persons remained on board, the offense elevated to a first-degree misdemeanor, carrying up to 12 months in jail. The resisting charge under Florida Statute Section 843.02 requires only obstruction of an officer in the lawful execution of duty. Passive noncompliance suffices. The less lethal deployment against the approaching father is analyzed under the objective reasonableness standard from Graham versus Connor, decided by the Supreme Court in 1989. That standard weighs the severity of the offense, the immediate threat to officers, and active resistance. An unidentified adult advancing on an active arrest in a confined aisle creates articulable threat. The father's protective motive is legally irrelevant. Reasonableness is judged from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision, not in hindsight. The son's recording was protected First Amendment activity under Glick versus Caniff, decided by the First Circuit in 2011, but recording does not shield independent noncompliance.
The way of doing things,
Please do me a favor. Please do me a favor, just let him go. Let him go, please. I'll do whatever you want.
I know you
I
will.
swear to God.
That's why
Whatever
you're
you want.
detained right now.
Okay.
This way right there.
I was never detained in my life. This is unfair.
You didn't want to listen,
I'm
so.
not saying that you are doing something unfair, absolutely. I respect you. I respect your job.
Thank you for respecting me.
But please let him
Hold
go.
on.
Please.
Good.
Please.
Just
Sorry, Bimbi. Sorry,
Let's go.
Bimbi.
There's no debates here. We'll send somebody else come, then I walk out.
All right.
Well, actually,
I need somebody
you
to
want to wait
fill out
because
the
you
info.
got to get information. So wait. Just hold them out there till somebody else comes.
My mom is disabled. She's gonna
Okay. We got new game. I didn't want to work.
I just need your info. Yeah. And the flyer and all that.
Action reaction. That's what that's called.
No, they're gonna pay for
And you
it.
said that
They're gonna have
the dad was trying to grab me, or
Whichever one of you back was turned, you was trying
yeah, I was
to grab
grabbing
you,
his
and that's
phone
when
off
I-
the floor.
That's when
Okay.
that's when I grabbed you. We have the camera.
Yeah, you have on my phone too. Don't worry, you have the video. You have everything.
I think it was him. His back was turned, and then the pops was trying to grab on. I didn't. What is
He was trying to grab me. That's what he's trying to do.
The officer's back is
He was
turned.
trying to grab me. That's what he's trying to do. He doesn't even speak English.
I got their info. That's all. Just
I
I need somebody else because I got two.
Okay.
We took him, and I guess Dad came running after. They said when I was trying to pick up his phone,
Running
I
after him. Yes, after me he was.
then they went after Samaj.
After me he was running.
You don't need anything else on anyone on the.
And I got the two
Who's out
fans
there?
and witness.
I am Albert.
That's me. So I need the one for the guy outside. I can press it for you up here.
Can you please let my dad go?
That's not mine.
It's beyond that. It's too late now.
Please.
You didn't want to listen. You could have just came off by yourself and let your whole family slide.
Let the kids go.
That's how I tried to have you do, right?
It's been a week.
But you didn't want to listen.
It's been a week. They didn't see their mom. Please, officer.
It's not up to us.
Go outside. Go up front.
Let my dad go. Yours. Who's somebody?
Boy.
I need units with a cage. I don't have a cage. What's your date of birth, Dad?
He doesn't speak English.
Okay. When was your dad born?
4/23, 1956. He was just coming.
And where was he born?
Sheriff, he was just coming to me, man. Come on.
Where was your dad
Do
born?
whatever you want. Just don't register it, please.
Where was your dad born?
In Albania. Rudy Pakshtim Rama, Go.
He a U.S. citizen or Albanian citizen?
Who?
Your dad.
My dad is Albanian. He has a green card. He didn't do nothing. He didn't do nothing. He was coming to me. The kids were crying, that's why he came.
And what's the phone number for you?
Please, he didn't do anything.
And where were you born?
I was born in Albania.
And are you Albanian citizen still or U.S.?
I'm alright.
You're American now?
Yes, sir. It's been 10 years. I never had trouble with anybody. The guy on the plane, he was very rude.
Right, but I explained to you multiple times
Absolutely.
that they don't want you on the plane.
I'm sorry, I didn't
The pilot has the authority of the plane.
I'm sorry,
Whatever
I
they
didn't listen.
tell
I
you,
didn't
you
know
got to
that.
do it.
I thought you were just trying. I swear to
Why
God.
would I do that?
I swear to my life.
I just wanted you to get off the
I
plane and your
swear
children
my
to go
life,
with the
I
family.
thought you were just saying that. If
All
I
right.
knew, I would have complied. Absolutely.
I told you that that's the way it's going to work if you refuse, okay?
Absolutely.
So unfortunately,
100%, I will
and that's where
comply.
we're at now. Unfortunately, your family's getting kicked off the plane too.
My mom, can you please?
We don't have control over that.
My
Once the
dad.
airline makes that decision,
No,
that's
for
it.
my dad, please.
No, it's already past that.
The Broward deputies earn a B-. Legal basis sound. Verbal de-escalation patient. But the confined space arrest with minors present leaves tactical room for criticism. The son earns a C-. He asserted a protected right to record, but misidentified the operative legal question, converting a grievance into criminal charges. The father earns a C+. His intent was protective, but his physical approach during an active arrest reasonably triggered the force response. 3 lessons emerge. First, once a captain refuses transport, the legal argument ends on the aircraft and must continue in a courtroom. Second, the right to record does not create a right to disobey. These are parallel tracks, and conflating them forfeits both. Third, approaching officers during an active arrest is analyzed under what the officer reasonably perceived, not what the approaching party intended. Let us know in the comments if there is another interaction or legal topic you would like examined, and don't forget to check out our channel for more police interaction and courtroom content.